I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright, we're back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the BNC speakers. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Look like it's packaged well. You maybe not be familiar with BNC or Ciare, anything like that, but we're gonna go ahead and get that started so we can get a little bit of understanding of what's going on, what kind of product they got. First of all, it's packaged really well because it's like a crush-proof box. And I'm gonna go ahead. I ain't gonna drag it out too long. Go ahead and get the unboxing going. Y'all know we haven't brought up any kind of speaker videos to the channel in a while since the previous ones that y'all know of. Let me go ahead and get this open. Flies outside. I'm outside working this time, so. You got like some little things on the side to keep you from coming open. You got it packaged real well, got your bubble wrap. Nice stuff right there. So we got some Ciare. Looks to be some horn tweeters. 250 watts, got a little weight on it. Alright. We got 2 of those. Got a little weight on it. Of course, y'all know we'll get the unboxing going. And we got some they say woofers on them, 450 watts, they're 4 ohm. That's quite a bit for 6.5. So made in Italy, guys. So if y'all not really familiar with this, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna try to get familiar with the product or whatnot on here on the channel. So we're gonna keep it going. Never know what you might see next. But of course, you got another woofer right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get these up, get this box out the way. All right. I guess we'll start with the woofer first. Well packaged. Y'all can see right there. This right here reminds me of like a Neo motor. Yeah, it is a neodymium motor. That's exactly what it is. I'm thinking that's what the ND stands for right there. So I guess Ciare and BNC is kind of together or whatnot. Well, it's got like a lot of weight on it as well. So as y'all can see right there, this is the 6.5. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and move to the tweeter. Oh Lord, y'all see that? I hadn't seen one like that before. As y'all can hear right there, that's a metal not diaphragm, but wave guide. It's got your 3 bolts in the back, so you'll be able to unbolt it and replace the diaphragm on the inside. Now that's the first. I've never seen one like this before. You know, of course, you got the other ones, you can just bolt them on the front, but the whole thing is like a metal. Of course, it's made in Italy as well. So Ciare, guys, that's what we got right here for today. So y'all know we're gonna go ahead, y'all know we're gonna do some testing on the product or whatnot, but this is just the unboxing for right now. So we're gonna do some pictures and everything. We're gonna put some pictures up in the video, and we're gonna definitely put them on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and so forth and so on. So be sure to check this out. And y'all know I'm gonna tag Ciare down in the comments down below, and BNC, so we can be sure to start getting some of this stuff on the channel, and you know, so people can be aware of what's going on if you don't already know. So I actually seen this company at SMALLRIG. I seen the products on the table. I hadn't seen anything like it. So you know, it's definitely some one-of-a-kind type stuff. It may be some kind of like it. They may even make some for other companies, I'm not sure. But it's definitely some high-end product right here. I think this is the real deal, guys. So definitely, it's just the unboxing. We're definitely gonna get some sound tests going or whatnot. We're gonna be sure to like, subscribe. Be sure to check out Ciare. I may not be saying it right. But y'all see the name right here. You know, so BNC speakers for the win so far, y'all. We're gonna find out what they do. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. Be sure to go over and check the BNC out as well. And we're gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.